Passed my 200K challenge account, $22,000 account. Started with $17,000. It's $5,251.58.
Already today, we got loads of people with huge positive payouts for the day, 9,000 for the day.
Damn, TradeX mastering 99.1K in payouts in the last 24 hours. I just got a tap to trade on my phone. We're gonna take this tap to trade. A lot of people think that make a ton of money without going through the ebbs and flows of the market. Social media kind of does that. One thing I will say about trading, you know, a lot of people think that you can just come in here and, you know, make a ton of money without going through like the ebbs and flows of the market. And I know social media, you know, kind of does that, where it makes you feel like, oh, well, this guy just made, you know, 50K in a day, or this guy just made 100K in a day. And the reality is, like, that might be true. I'm not saying that those people are not telling the truth about their results. That's not what I'm trying to say. What I'm saying is, a lot of times they're not telling you the other side of the story, right? Where it's like how they came up, what they went through, the good, the bad, the ugly, the hardships, and all that stuff. I think that's what ends up happening to a lot of people, is they kind of get into this like mindset or facade that they have to go out there and actually like learn the skill set yesterday. But it's a journey, it's not a destination. Like, I've been trading since 2016, and I started off with crypto. And one of my clients, when I was working in sales, actually called me and was looking to borrow some capital to buy more Bitcoin. And I'm like, what's Bitcoin, bro? And he's like, you don't know about Bitcoin? I'm like, no, I don't know about Bitcoin. And cold brew. So yeah, this guy was hitting me up, wanted some capital, talked to me about Bitcoin. And then he taught me about crypto, and I started trading crypto. And yeah, like ever since then, I've just been able to do what I want to do. I just got this email last night, passed my 200K challenge account. All right, guys, so I'm connecting my 200K challenge account to my AkashX app. So this way, if there's any tap to trades that come through that I could just approve with one click and I agree, I'll take them. So I think we missed a buy on US 30. Crazy price action right now. Let's look at Forex Factory real quick. We have an orange folder here. Trump speaks at 11:30 a.m.
We're gonna win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Let's go ahead and see. Crazy. What a big buy I missed on US 30. I have this little smart money indicator that I use, kind of lets you know key levels. So we did get that reaction. If price comes back down a little bit though, I'll take a quick buy. Wow, this US 30, god damn, bro. I need to go in my group chats, see who caught that US 30.
And let's see here, already today we got loads of people with huge positive payouts for the day, 9,000 for the day. 452. We had a few really good trades this morning as well, some tap to trades and things of that nature. So honestly, I believe that we had, and this is on the 4 hour, so I can see price came up, created these equal highs basically, market structure came down. I mean, we kind of created like an area of interest for me, at least at 3,900, because price definitely did break these levels, and that's something you want to keep an eye out for. So cool. We'll see what we come up with. I'll see if I get some tap to trades that come through.
Let's see what we can catch in the market, ladies and gentlemen. We could have probably caught this small little sell in US 30 on the way down a little bit. But look, this is a fresh 200K account. Okay, I'm gonna take this buy on gold. I'm gonna take a buy on gold. But we're gonna take a small risk buy. All right, so it looks like we got stopped out on that trade. All good. Little mini loss for the day. Damn, look at just gold. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. But honestly, the one thing I'm gutted about more than anything is that US 30 trade. I'm gonna go live with Rich right now.
Order flow is shifting bullish, right? Meaning that we had this big drop, we bottomed out here, price pulled up to here. If we're gonna keep low.
All right, we just got a tap to trade by Abid. So we're gonna take this thing. So he is calling a buy on gold. So I wanna risk 0.25% for this. Actually, let's go 0.5% for this trade. Approve USD CAD. Go over to trade locker and we're in the position. Let's mark up USD CAD, yeah? See if we like this trade. And he actually called a sell, my bad. He called a sell on USD CAD. Overall though, if we look here, price came. Okay, so this is where market structure is super important. If you look at the daily time frame, USD CAD is constantly, it's been going down. Like over here, some people might assume that since price came above these levels that it's like some sort of break in structure or change of character, but you would probably need to take out these to really even consider looking for long-term buys. Of course, there's always buying opportunities. But the overall bias for me on a macro time frame is definitely bearish. So I'm very big on market structure. I think market structure is the most important piece of the entire puzzle when it comes to trading. I think we can easily get from our entry right now, we can definitely get like a 50-60 pip move here. So I'll be monitoring this trade very closely. So we are currently right now in a short position. And currently we're up just $28, almost 10 standards on the moment. We're currently up $28. So we'll monitor this trade. What are you doing right now? My barber said he's free. I think I need to shave my head for 2026. Yeah. New year, new me. This is basically the move I missed today. I missed that move to the upside. It's all good though. My boy Devor from Croatia. I call him the Croatian Bull. Yo, what's up, Croatian Bull?
Hey bro, hope you're doing good. So yeah bro, like we can 100% do that. All right, so I'm talking to some of our TTT educators right now. This is their trade on TTT. So this is like the trader calling. I missed these trades today. There's another one, and that's basically their trades for the day. Okay, so you guys kind of saw some of my manual. Say hi. You guys saw some of my manual trading. So I want to show you like some of my algorithmic trading. So this is just today on one of the softwares. This account is a $22,000 account. Started with 17, up $117 on the day. On the week, it's up $1,073 on the week. If I look at from the beginning of time, started with $17,114.90. It's $5,251.58. Yeah, that's past profits do not depict future results, but this is one of the systems I'm also running. And then I have another one that's running on Euro USD. This one's a little bit more low risk. For the week on this smaller account, up $179. All right, my barber says he's ready for us to head out. You ready? What'd you do today?
Hello everybody. I woke up today, I laid in bed, had a very tough day yesterday. My neck was messed up, so I couldn't move it. What did I do today? Nothing. I did nothing. And now I'm going with Ali to get his hair cut so I can get some shawarmas after. Maybe I'll do a day in the life of Medina so you guys could see I did that.
And you also helped set up my vlog and stuff.
Yeah, I helped Ali per usual. We don't talk about those things. With his behind the scenes and all his little tantrums of angles and whatnot. That we're not going to talk about. We're just going to act like I did nothing today. We might kill someone. We might. Let's go.
Lincoln Tunnel. The Lincoln Tunnel runs right under our building.
So we might just collapse one day. need to get my eyebrows done.
Salam Habibi. What's going on, bro? How are you? You good? What you telling me?
Ali number one shopper guy.
Okay.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
So guys, tomorrow we have a very big call. Let's see how many people registered.
Wallahi, let's go.
Wow.
No, come on, bro. Just shave it, man. Okay, bro. I'll hit you up with this out. Appreciate you, bro. Look after yourself. Oh, I feel like a new man. Let's go. Let's go. All the money that I pay for my haircut goes right here. This guy's a beast. Follow him. Habibi Cuts. Hello.
So annoying. You scared me. Wow.
You did good.
I like this.
Wow, we have the place all to ourselves. We're gonna eat one.
Santa Claus. It matches my nails.
Ew. Okay, guys, so we ordered two shawarmas. So we ordered 3 shawarmas in total.
Why'd you order 3?
3 sandwiches, 2 beef, 1 chicken, a soda, and then one of the sandwiches is a meal.
Mine. $34.
34 bucks.
I'm so tired.
All right, everybody. So it is 7:13. I just got done with some business calls. Gonna hit the gym right now. Gonna do a little bit of cardio. Then we're gonna do a little bit of chest and tries. I was actually gonna go do back testing right now. I should have shown you guys my office is a big mess. My wife is organizing everything. Then I'll do a little bit of back testing, plan my day for tomorrow, catch a movie for the rest of the night. I just got to the gym. I love you. Miss me?
Batman likes to play the hero, and he's pretty good at it, but it's an act. Batman's not about saving the innocent, no, he's about punishing the guilty.
Had to tell my bro, yeah, had to say the tone. Had to turn my diamonds, yeah, they smoking, hit the tone. But what you saying, yeah, just shut up and let me go. Riding in that beat, let it tell the truth.
You know, a lot of people message me on like social media and stuff, and they ask me, you know, what it takes to become the person who you want to become, and I always tell people it boils down to patience. Because basically, if you look at everything I did today, I woke up in the morning, I did a little bit of trading, I exercised some calls as an entrepreneur, I spoke to some people who are currently in my business, some people who are not in my business, some people who want to partner with me, some people who I want to partner with. And the reality is, it's just about doing that consistently every single day over a long period of time. And then you really get to live your life by design and do what you want. It's all about being consistent, staying in the pocket day in and day out and doing what you need to do. And you know, a lot of people focus on mastery where like that's an amateur thing to do. Professionals will focus on their outcomes. I don't care what it looks like as long as I have outcomes. So community payouts. This is all from December 2nd today. $2,000, $4,800. 2100, 3728, 2914, crazy payouts, 3123, 4000, 1582, 1979, 1314,
crazy. 19K. 19K. What's going on, guys? So we're back to the gym. Who the hell is calling me?
What the fuck you doing? So I turned around to tell her and you missed my day.
Oh my God. Everybody called me today just fucking asking for shit. Say hi, you're gonna make it. Oh, by the way, P texted me before. Yes. Damn, TradeX Mastery, 99.1K in payouts in the last 24 hours. Let's go.
Yep. Yeah, Peyton's girl just got a almost $3,000 payout. Peyton just texted me all fucking ecstatic. She got her payout. So,
bro, there's like over like 300,000 that's about to go out to Koshek's people. All right, guys. So I just got a tap to trade on my phone. We're gonna take this tap to trade together. Look how easy it is. Ready? Watch. Bada bing. So I'm gonna change it to 0.5% risk. Click approve. Successful. You're in the trade. In the trade. Let's go. Literally less than 30 seconds.
He's creating a narrative always. He is the best storyteller